What's going on? It is here. It is here. The Tarot of the Divine. A deck and guidebook by Yoshitani. I've been waiting for this. And I'm unboxing it right now. Let's go ahead and open it up. Alright. Alright, so let's see. Oh. Okay, so let's go. Oh! Alright. Tarot Divine. This is the book. Nothing here. Alright. Oh, that reminds me. I didn't really quite show you guys the book for this one really quickly. I'll show you just very briefly. So this is the front of it. And then there's the back, which is pretty dope. I just realized that like earlier today. I was like, oh wow, that's pretty dope. And then, it's got full color pages and everything. Alright, on to the new one. Alright, so, ooh, this got a little pull tab here too. Alright. Alright. Oh, what? Oh, I love the feel of this. Is like a linen cardstock. I like the plastic wrap around them. Okay, so let me. They're upside down. Give me a second. Let me put this aside. Put that like that for now. So I can grab it later. Okay. Put that aside. Okay. Alright. Well, let's start from the bottom, because this is... There we go. Alright. The Fool. I'm guessing this is Ariel, the Little Mermaid, Cinderella, or the Fairy Godmother, or whatever. I don't know, maybe Jasmine? I don't know. I'm just gonna stop guessing. But as you can see, like, it's like that linen cardstock, which is very nice. It's very nice. Look at that, Beauty and the Beast. So dope. That's Rico in the background, being a little shit. He just went outside. He just ate. He wants attention because he's blind in one eye. Oh, nice. They should have had Gaston. No. This is... I actually really like this tower. This is dope. You got like the two people falling, wishing upon a star. That's cool. The moon. I'm guessing this is Mulan. What? Wukong? What? That's dope. That's dope. I like that. This is my favorite one so far. The world. Okay. I don't see any... This looks like the lovers. I don't see any world in this picture. Party. Aladdin. Okay. They should have had someone here, though. This feels like a little waste of space right there. Could have had someone there. Where are the coins? Oh. Okay. More like reefs. Okay. Okay. Oh, see, now that's cool. Coins right there. All right. I'm gonna go. Oh, we'll go a little bit faster now, so that way I'm not wasting anybody's time. 3 of Swords. Oop. I just dropped one card down. Give me a second. Okay, cards retrieved. Alright, so 3 of Swords. 4 of Swords. This is dope. I'm really liking this deck so far. Can't wait to put this to use. Oh, I actually really like that. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool for the 10 of Swords. Page. Knight. Queen. Nice. What? That's the king? How do you go from a woman to a griffin? That's really weird. 2 of Wands. Okay. Okay. Nice. Dude, I'm really liking this card stock, man. It feels so smooth. Like from far away, it looks the artwork is amazing, you know. But when you get close, you get to see the linen card stock. Eight of Wands, 9 of Wands, 10 of Wands. That's... This does not signify 10 of Wands at all. This is more like 10 of Swords. Seriously. What is the burden here? What is the burden? This dude's dead. You know? He's dead. And then you got fairies or oh, I guess. How is he supposed to ask for help with the fairies around him? He's dead. It's a skull. Oh, I like this. I didn't really realize that. That's cool. But yeah, there's two cards that like I really don't like. Well, 3 actually. Let's see. We go from Queen. What is this? How do we go from a woman to a bird? What is this? Okay, so lack of imagination on a couple of cards, a few cards really, but it's still a beautiful freaking deck, guys. I really can't wait to implement this into my readings. So hope you enjoyed. Oh, as a matter of fact, let me go here because just in case you guys want to know, I believe this is not a colored. Let me see. Before I say anything, let me see. I don't really like opening up these books. Okay, so this is. Oh wow, that's cool. All right, see, cool. So it is a fully colored book. All right. So that's the Tarot Divine by Yoshi Yoshitani. And yeah, man, this is very cool. Very cool indeed. Thank you, Yoshi. I can't wait to resonate with these two. I was playing around with this one last night. I was shuffling it, you know, blessing it, and you know, just It gave me some. It gave the night before Christmas deck. It gave me some really good messages right off bat, which was really cool. You know, just talking to each other and whatnot. This one, I can't wait to do the same tonight. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. So that's my first impressions of the deck for the Tarot of the Divine, and I can't wait to resonate with it and see what name it wants me to call it. All right, guys, take it easy.